Okay.
This is no laughing matter. We're about to die. And we're supposed to go to the beach today.
I know.
So far for the beach.
Yep. For the beach. Pampers.
I'm checking my phone.
Okay. The tornado sound is going off.
I fell asleep again. I gotta go look outside.
Okay. It was just a dream. Is she okay? Better go look. She looks dead. She looks like cheese. Sis. She's breathing. Sis! Maybe if I tell her a funny joke. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did... That's so random. Why did the chicken cross the road, Facey? Alright. No. Why did the chicken cross the road? If you think it's to get to the other side because it's Thanksgiving. Feastable. I got her. We're good.
What happened?
Feastable.
What happened?
Well, I said feastable, so you laughed.
No, what happened before that?
I think we had a dream. What dream did you have?
I had a dream that we got sucked into a tornado.
Same thing.
Then how we have the same dream? Alright, so the card players got sucked into a tornado, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then it must not have not been a dream. If we both experienced it, did it feel real?
It did kind of feel real.
It's not real to me. It probably happened.
Look at outside.
Everything looks normal.
No, trees fell down over there.
Where? Oh my god. And look it.
Our treehouse is ruined.
No, it must have happened. It had to have. You got to. I got my mom. Mom. Mom, should we?
Nope.
Mom, should we Andrew?
Bring me up.
It's on there. Mom! Mom!
big tornado.
Do you remember?
That was so scary.
Well, at least we found Mom.
And it was
Wait,
all a
where's
dream.
Dad?
He's at work. Did he just leave at work?
Where's Dad?
Yeah, he's at work.
Did he go?
He left at 9.
Okay.
Are you sure he goes back?
He's okay.
Okay.
Good. Well, we're safe, guys. Thank you for watching the Fini movie, and I'll see you on the next recording.
Hey guys, it's Faith and Foxy FNAF Girl, and we're sisters. Woo!
Thank you for watching the movie. Thank you for watching the movie in parts. And we're going to make another one. And please welcome the big tsunami!
It's gonna be a movie that we're doing next. Now watch this, guys. Woo! Watch it. Woo! Landed.
I want to do that.
Woo!
Probably just screen.